Hello students, welcome to computer class. As we have read half the chapter Evolution of Computer, chapter number 1. Next topics we will complete in this video. So let us start. So next topic in your book is types of computer. There are different types of computer with respect to size, speed, storage capacity. Computer can be classified into the following types. First is microcomputers. These computers are small in size and cost less. They are usually designed for personal use. Therefore, they are also called personal computer. They are mainly used in homes, schools, office, shops, banks, etc. These computers are given different names according to their use. Example, Commodore 64, IBM PC. Next is desktop computer, which we use at our homes. These computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of the desk. Desktop computer typically come in several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. In desktop computer, we use all these devices: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, right? Next is laptop computer. As you can see in the picture, these computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable. You can take it to any place. These are not heavy like desktop computer. Next is tablet computer. These computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computer. Common tablets have 7 inches or 10 inches screen. Tablet can be used browse the web, play games, send email, listen to music, watch movie, videos, photos, read ebook and so on. To start any application, simply tap its icon. Next is mini computer. These computers are bigger in size than microcomputer. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputer. Mini computer are costlier than microcomputer. Mini computers are capable to support 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities and in any other big organization. Example, PDP-8, as you can see in the picture. Next is mainframe computer. Next is mainframe computer. These computers are very powerful. They are big in size with a large memory and high speed. They are in large size and the memory is also high speed memory. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. In these devices, we can give huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. In these computers we can do networking. We can connect all the computers with one another. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are used in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airlines and railway ticket reservation, stock exchange, markets, etc. The example, IBM Z series, PDP-10, System Z10. Next is supercomputer. They are the most powerful computer with a high processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting. These computers are used especially for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Examples are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, ETA A10, Sunway, Tehulite, etc. So that's all in the chapter. Now let us recap. Charles Babbage is considered as the father of computer. He invented difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was the first programmer. ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computer invented in 1946. UNIVAC 1 was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Computers are categorized into 4 types with respect to their speed, storage capacity, size, and cost. The 4 types of computers are microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. That's all for today in this chapter. Now after watching this video, read this chapter again. Thank you. Have a nice day.